All right, let's take a look at the new org dictionary report. You're probably familiar with the data dictionary. That gives you a great view of custom objects and fields with all possible information for them. Org dictionary will show you information about any other metadata type. So for example, you might have complex information about workflows or page layouts or reports or something like that. You can put together a metadata report right here at the org dictionary. So it's pretty easy to use. All of your different metadata types are down this left-hand column. You select the type you're interested in and put the report together. And so you can move fields over and rearrange them. When you've made some changes and selected some elements, then that metadata type will be in bold. And you can go to Preview Report and very quickly just see your report. In this case, we have Apex classes down the first column, then the version, and lastly the status here on the right-hand column. So you can also show interior structure in your metadata objects, which is quite important for some of the more complex objects. So, for example, let's just look at custom objects because that's an easy one to that we're all familiar with. So we've got the full name of the object, and then the name of the fields, and then the name of the pick list values. So what we can do is just go to the Preview Report tab, and you'll see here is the account object and its fields, and then the account depth has these values, and then the active field has these values. And so we're seeing all of the custom fields and all of the pick list values kind of together on one screen. And you can do that for any of the arrays that you will find in your different metadata asset types. Now, of course, you can just check the values here for whatever you're interested in and go to Display Report, and it will put together a comprehensive report for all of those objects. So I want to show you a feature that you may be interested in. One is hide data types. So right now they're hidden, but if you show them, then you can see the actual type of each one of these columns, which can be very useful. Also, we're currently hiding camel case. So you see all of the field names here, the element names look kind of regular English. But if you take that off, then we give you the actual API names, the XML element names, and that can be very useful for developers or depending on what type of report you want to turn out. And so once you change these things, they also change everything in the entire report. So for example, looking at our Apex classes, you can now see all of the different types that are available for the Apex class. And so, for example, you can actually see the enumerated values for the status field. It can either be active, deleted, or inactive. And so this is really helpful for helping you understand the data and put together the report that you really want to generate. And as usual, you can schedule the report to be sent out to other people or save to a folder, whatever you need to do. All right, that's the new org dictionary report for reporting on all of your metadata types.